Today in this plan with me, we're going to talk about how my morning routine has changed in the month of January. Hello all, and we're going to get started. I have some buffalo plaid layering sheets from Coffee Planner Mom. Her shop is currently closed, but she could open back up. And then over here I have, this is a sheet from Cheerful Seasons, and it's just snowflakes and winter fun. And since we just had our first snowstorm, it wasn't great, but we didn't get a ton of snow out of it. That's besides the point. I thought I would put these two together for a really fun spread. And we'll go ahead and take these guys off the discs as we plan for the week of the 15th through the 21st. How are we already midway through January? How did that happen? I'm gonna have to print out one more. So I had a printing snafu. These are Lights Planner Action printables. In fact, wait, do I have a backup? Sometimes I do. Sometimes I pull out extra weeks from times where I didn't need them. Let's see. I do have an extra that I can throw in for next week. It'll probably do that instead. So these are printables from Lights Planner Action, and I accidentally messed up the numbering when I was printing things out. So this one's a little funky, but that's okay, because what's nice is all you have to do is print out another sheet, and life is good. So, morning routines. Do you have one? I did, and now I have a different one. And it's making it hard for me to figure out where to fit certain things into my day. Do you ever have that issue? I kind of thought that's how I was going to go with that, so now I can number. These are numbers from Exo Mama Plans. So here was what my morning routine looked like in December. It was get up, get my water, do my devotion, read for enjoyment for 15 minutes, sometimes a little bit more, but 15 minutes. Breakfast, catching up on some YouTube videos during breakfast. Why is it hard to put down number stickers and talk? Then I would get changed, walk the dogs, go to work. Weekends, obviously a little bit different, but similar pattern. To my mornings. Starting in January, I did, it's gonna bother me that it's crooked, so I'm gonna adjust that with the undo. I don't know why today it bothers me. Other times it does not. Oh well. So in January, I've started really using my tonal, and friends, I'm super proud of how well I've been using my tonal. It's been awesome. But I do it in the morning because I know if I wait till the evening when I get home from work, it's not happening. I have tried it. That's what I used to do, and I can't be consistent with it there. So I now have been doing that in the morning. So the thing that I have removed from my morning routine is reading for 15 minutes. Because something had to give. Something had to give. And I wasn't waking up any earlier because I am already waking up early, friends. Do not need to wake up earlier than 4:30. No earlier. And I want to put this one on this side. Not earlier than 4:30. So I'm trying to figure out where my reading for 15 minutes is going to go. And here's why this is tricky. Because I'm sure most people would say, Holly, put it in your evening routine. Right? Totally put it in your evening routine. I get that. But I'm also saying, what's struggling with that is that I really like my evening routine. I think I want to Let's see. Be good. Line up. Yeah, that's good. And the one thing I want to add to my evening routine is knitting. Like knitting while I'm watching my TV shows at night. Now, the TV shows that I'm watching that I want to knit during are Mondays. There's usually a baking championship. Right now it's Kids Baking Championship. Let's... Tuesdays is, I will say its real name, The Curse of Oak Island on the History Channel. The title we give it is Duck Dog Island, because if you've ever seen The Curse of Oak Island and you look at the shape of Oak Island, depending on the angle, sometimes it looks like a duck, sometimes it looks like a dog. So we call it The Curse of Duck Dog Island. And then Wednesdays is Married at First Sight, which is a train wreck you just can't look away from. So I want to knit on those 3 nights. So I'm wondering if, as I'm speaking with you, I should maybe go like, these 3 nights are knitting nights, and then Thursday through Saturday are like dedicated to reading, even though I can read any other time. Like, it's not like I can only read Thursday through Sunday. But maybe make it more of a priority on these 4 days so I can make knitting a priority on these 3 days. Maybe. That's an interesting thought. Thanks for talking it out with me. See, I'm trying to figure out, do I want to do... I think I want to keep doing the layering stickers and the snowflakes, and then I'll come back through with some boxes and functionals. I think that's what I want to do. It's a hard decision there. Let's do this one here. We did have a snow day this past week on Friday. It was really nasty. It's nasty out today too. It's not like it's snowing a lot, but we have wind, really bad wind, and it's going to get real cold. Like the real temperature is going to be in the negatives. And then the, wind chill is going to be even worse. I might save some of these for my nightly journal. That's the other thing I do at night, is I do a journaling process during my evening routine as well. I will cover up to do, because I like to do that. And I'll put which chore we're doing. Where's my chore sheet here? It is kitchen this week. The doggos aren't as rambunctious today because of the cold. They are just snuggle puppins. That is what they are doing. Snuggly pups. Maybe down here. And then I do like to have like a little, like next week or upcoming. Fit you there. Maybe I save these for my journaling. Let's take this big one here. Who's up here with me? Is it Sharpie? It is Sharpie. Hey, Bugaboo. I think Jules has decided that she is going to stay like a bagel on the couch for most of the day today. How cute is this? In my head, I was thinking this should be fine. I know the silver foil doesn't always pick up very well on camera, and I apologize for that, but it is what it is. I still want to use the stickers, so let's put a little bit like that. And maybe I'll take some of these. A lot of times what I do, whatever I used in my spread, if there's a little bit left over, I throw it, there's a pocket folder in my planner, I throw it in there, and then I decorate my journals, my daily journaling, with the stickers from the week. See, do I have like a little small, oh, I do. Do that there. Maybe I do another line of, well, I did that one there. What if we did, no, I'm liking it side to side. And we'll add this little right there. Oh, how cute is that? Super cute. Super cute. All right, so speaking of, since we talked about morning routine and how that's been going, let's put a habit tracker here. I think we'll do 2 habit trackers. And we're going to do morning routine, which is water, tonal, devotion, and then I'm going to write get ready because eating breakfast, you know, all of that prep work for getting ready for work, that all kind of fits into there. And then evening routine, let's put knitting or reading, journal, we're going to put get ready for bed. Let's see how that works for this week. You'll be my accountability buddies. All right. Other things happening. We have a Pink Zebra TV live. Friends, I'm currently warming our Paisley's pick for the month. First of all, if you didn't know, I'm a Pink Zebra lady. And that is home fragrance, home decor, home stuff. Okay? I'm currently warming a mix of garden honeysuckle, which is our Paisley's pick, our fragrance of the month, with lavender lemonade, and it is so refreshing after having all of those like warming winter scents in my house. It's just kind of like the citrus and the light floral. It's not overpowering floral. Fabulous. So this one, PZ TV Live, looks like it's going to be a little more Valentine oriented. And I do have a link to my website. If you go there, I believe it starts at 6 p.m. Central Time. If you click on my link to the to my website in the description on Tuesday around 6, the live will just pop up, which is pretty cool. I think that's so neat. All right, so we don't have school on... Where did I put my no school? I got it out. Oh, it's over here. It's over here. It's fine. No school on Monday because it's Martin Luther King Jr. Day. And I'm going to add a box here. My mom has a doctor's appointment that I might be taking her to. We haven't decided. She does have the bus ready to go. So there's that. I'm trying to think if there's anything else specifically going on. I think what I'll do is I'll just add a few boxes since I only have 2 left. I'll do one there. And one there. I'm going to put a brain dump sticker here because I usually like to write a little bit of, you know, what's coming up in the next week right in there. And then Towel Tuesday. My husband has taken over Towel Tuesday. Like, he's like, towels, you do them what day? It's like, Tuesday. We do them Tuesdays. Oh, this came out really cute. Friends, I really like it. I need a checklist of some sort there, though, for my Okay, hang on. Here you go. Oh, I gotta bring a new trash can up here. I forgot. Meow. That's fine. We'll figure it out. I'll figure it out. I always do. So let me see if there's any checklists left in here. I know there were some gold ones. This is where, remember colorful boxes? I mean, I know you can probably still get colorful boxes, but do we have any silver checklists or black checklists? Probably not. That was a good one when it came to checklists. This Cheerful Seasons book is interesting because it has certain sections of the seasons have functionals and certain ones do not. So I find that kind of odd. You know what? Let's look at the fitness one because I do have some gold ones there. I don't think we have silver, but I know they have those little like arrowy things for like breakfast, lunch, dinner. Kind of like these guys, but they're empty. We could use those as checklists. We could. Oh, they have black ones though too. Ah, what do I do? What do I do? Black one. I only need one. So, and that's for my kitchen checklist there. Okay, that's not, nope. Let's try that again. It's just so thin and dainty. All right, that's better. That's better. Friends, this is looking great. I really like it. Thank you for helping me chat through how I wanted to refinagle where my reading went, because I'm really loving my morning routine. I'm really loving the workout aspect. I'm feeling more energized, which you're going to see in my, you'll see that noted in my health and wellness planner if you catch that video. So I'm just trying to figure out how to make everything work. But if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. It's always so helpful for my channel. And if this video earned your subscription, super awesome. I can't wait to see you come back. Have a great day.